Flask, flask use in laboratory. It is made of plastic or mirror. It found in many sizes and shapes. Its size depend upon volume of liquid. In school and laboratory it normally occur in 50 ml, 150 ml, 250 ml, 500 ml, and 100 ml. It marked in cc/milliliter flask is used to prepare the solution. Pipette. Pipette normally use in the chemistry or biology laboratory to measure the small quantity of liquid. Pipette have many shapes and sizes. There is a specific scale of volume draw on it. It is commonly available from ranges 100 ml to 250 ml. It made up of plastic or glass.